Hope you guys planned some summer holidays because Mercedes-Benz has released 3 brand new software updates for the entirety of the MBUX family. That is NTG6, NTG7, and Gen20X. If you don't know what these mean, basically any car past 2019 has the MBUX family. Or you could simply enter your VIN at MBRetrofit.it, and from there you can see your NTG version and what things are available for your vehicle, whether that is a simple car lookup, a map update, or vehicle coding. Yes, we do coding now. Check it out in the link below. Well, let's talk more about it, but like in every video I post, it's pretty much the same thing. By going on MBRetrofit.it and entering your VIN, you can see the latest map version that is available for your vehicle. So for NTG6, that is V25, for NTG7, that is V27, and for Gen20X, that is V16. So first of all, I recommend you check what version of navigation you currently have installed. That is done very easily by going onto the navigation and on the navigation settings. There you can pretty much see what version you have installed, and I can outright guarantee you that since the car has been released from the factory, there hasn't been a single update. So given all these versions that just came out, let's discuss about what a map update really means. Typically, when Mercedes releases a brand new software update, it is to improve vehicle stability, improve road safety, road accuracy, road information such as speed signs, warning signs, and just overall ensuring your vehicle is to the top of the line Mercedes-Benz specification. Because you're driving Mercedes-Benz for a reason. And especially with the summer period coming up, imagine the route you're gonna go on is not on the map because the roads are brand new or the speed limits are wrong. You know, there's a lot of reasons why you should update your navigation, and you know, I didn't expect Mercedes to release 3 brand new software updates, so I just put this all together to tell you guys because it is very important to update your navigation, especially since we have an amazing promotion going on. Like I say in all my videos, pretty much all you need to do is just enter your VIN onto our website. Yeah, it's that easy. Following that, if you need additional information, check out the links below or our YouTube channel. You can find fully written guides of how to create the USB, how to use the Mercedes Download Manager, and of course, entering your VIN and purchasing the map license key, which is required after creating the USB in order for the update to begin on your vehicle. Now, there is one thing I want you to watch out for. MBUX has a system called activated licenses. To not get you confused with the actual map license keys, it is basically what entitlements, what permissions your vehicle has access to. This includes navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and so on. In entry-level cars such as the A-Class, the B-Class, the GLB, just to name a few, there is the possibility that your car does not have navigation installed already. We do our part by alerting you that there is a potential miscompatibility because your vehicle has a flag called pre-installation for retrofitting navigation. In order to actually have support to install navigation, you need to go on the Mercedes Me app, or in cases where it's not available, you will unfortunately have to replace your head unit with a different one and need to program it. But you can contact us, or just me, for help. This is really important, and I can't say this enough because there are customers who think that buying a map code from us will enable navigation in their vehicle. And unfortunately, that is not the case. We can try our best to support you afterwards, but this is why we have added a big prompt you need to accept before actually going to pay for your map code. Well, I'm sorry to keep this video short, but if you actually need to see information about how to make a USB stick, how to find out what NTG version you have, go on MBRetrofit.it or simply look at this YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for the support you've given this channel and to the website as a whole. We're only just 1 year old, so thank you for accepting us into the Mercedes-Benz ecosystem. Without further ado, I just want to tell you we have a lot of things coming to our website this year and this summer, so keep an eye out to your email and visit MBRetrofit.it every once in a while. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.